sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out guys. Shout out to the viewer and subscriber. Short, short lang to guys. 30 minutes live lang tayo guys. Hindi na kailangan mahaba guys. Kay monetize naman guys. Shout out to Peachy, Ernest Kunil according to Jeep, and Winston Gel Cooking. Shout out guys. Hopefully hindi magluko to guys. Kasi nagluluko minsan yung ano ko, yung live ko. Minsan nagluluko siya. I don't know. Sometimes ganyan siya guys, nagluluko siya. Shout out to all the viewers. Yung kalinda pa ito. Twinnie, hello Twinnie. Thank you so much Twinnie. Hi, how are you Twinnie? Quick live lang to guys, 30 minutes lang to. Shout out. Twinnie, thumbs up mom. Thank you so much Twinnie. Daan lang po ako. Okay, salamat sa pagdaan. Twinnie, salamat sa pagdaan. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out, guys. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Princess, hello. How are you doing? Princess Brianna, hello. How are you? Nice name, Princess. My niece, the name is Princess. Yeah. Surab Masi, hello. How are you doing? Thank you for coming, Surab. Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you, everyone. And shout out